Hello Numberblock fans! In today's video, we're going to build our Numberblocks Mathlink Cubes. But this time, I build the Numberblocks in different ways. But not like 1 to 100 or 101 to 200. Do you know why I don't build 1 to 100 again and again? Because I want to make it different. Which is, I build a Numberblocks Mathlink Cubes with each clubs. Before I build the Numberblocks Mathlink Cubes, I would like to ask you a question. How many clubs in the Numberblocks official show? And what are they? Let me tell you an answer. Well, Numberblocks official has 16 clubs. There are Cube Club, Even Top Club, Falling Apart Club, Football Club, Made Out of One Club, 9 Enders, Odd Top Club, Prime Club, Lucky Rainbow 7 Club, Roaring 20 Club, a Square Club, a Square with a Hole Club, Step Spot Club, Super Rectangle Club, Super Duper Rectangle Club, and the Made Out of 3 Club. Alright, can you guess what is the club that I'm going to explore? That's it. I'm going to explore is the Step Squad Club. Step Squad Club is the most favorite club ever that I have heard. Let's go to the first member of the Step Squad Club. The first member of the Step Squad Club is, can you guess? It's our Numberblock 1. Numberblock 1 need only 1 red block, and then we need only 1 face sticker with 1 faceplate. We pop the faceplate with the sticker onto the Mathlink Cube, and then we pop the number link, and here is our finish, Numberblock 1. Numberblock 1 is the member of the Step Squad Club. Sometimes she wears the red step-shaped mask because to represent that she's the first member of the Step Squad Club. She's made only 1 block. Let's go to the next character. Alright, let's go to the second member of the Step Squad Club. Can you guess? Step Squad is the numbers which are adding to each other by 1 bigger as each other, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 or plus 5. Like adding with the numbers which is 1 bigger than each other. Like 3, she is the second member of the Step Squad Club. We build the Step Squad Club by using 1 plus 2. 2 is 1 more than 1. So that's why they call a Step Squad Club. Anyways, Numberblock 3 has 2 faceplates. 1 for her face and 1 for her juggling balls. And don't forget her number link. And here is Numberblock 3. Numberblock 3 sometimes wears the orange step-shaped mask. And this is because she's the second member of the Prime Club. Let's go to the next character. Alright, let's go to the next character is Numberblock 6. Numberblock 6 is the third member of the Step Squad Club. She's made out of 1 plus 2 plus 3. Well, Numberblock 6 has the dots because she loves to play the board games, and also she wants everyone to play the games in the Pattern Palace. Well, Numberblock 6 also loves to make a rhyme or a poem, but she loves to remix. Well, Numberblock 6, sometimes she wears the yellow step-shaped mask. This is because she's the third member of the Step Squad Club. And we pop the number link and we create our own dice. So here is our finish, Numberblock 6 with her own dice. For the fourth character in the Step Squad Club is 10. 10 is made out of 10 white blocks with 1 red border. And this is because she's made out of 110. And Numberblock 10, she has the 2 star-shaped eyes because this is represent that 1 star has 5 points, so 2 star has 10 points. So Numberblock 10 is the 4th member of the not prime, I mean of the Step Squad Club. Do you know why? It's because she's made out of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. One more than each other. And but she also wears the green step-shaped mask. It's because she's the 4th member of the Prime Club. And here's our finish, number block 10. Next character is number block 15. 15 needs only 10 white blocks and 5 light blue blocks. She's the 5th member of the Prime Club, but she's the 1st member of the Step Squad Club with the step-shaped mask. She has the dark blue eyes because she has the dark blue step-shaped eyes, and the step-shaped mask is because she's the 5th member of the Step Squad Club, but she's the 1st member of the Step Squad Club with the step-shaped mask. And like this is our number block 15, and she loves to help everyone with secret missions. And don't forget the number block 15's number link. And here's our finish, number block 15. Next character is our number block 21. Number block 21 is made out of 20 light peach blocks and 1 red block. This is because 21 is made out of 20 and 1. Well, number block 21 also has the step-shaped mask, but the indigo one. And that's because she's the 6th member of the Step Squad Club. Well, number block 21 has the Explorer hat, and this is because she loves to explore the new numbers, and she wants everyone to figure out. And here's our number block 21 in the step shape. And we attach the rainbow feathers with the Explorer hat, and then we pop the number link. But also, she needs 2 faceplates, with 1 for her eyes and 1 for her mouth. But also, she's the 3rd member of the Rainbow Club. Well, here is our finish, number block 21. Alright, let's go to the number block 28. Number block 28 is made out of 20 peach blocks and 8 pink blocks. This is because 28 is made out of 20 plus 8. Well, 28, she's the 7th member of the Step Squad Club. And this is because she's made out of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 and plus 7. And that's why she has the rainbow step-shaped mask. Well, 28 is also split into 7 4s or 4 7s. She's the member of the Square with the Whole Club too. Well, number block 28 has the rectangle eyes because she's the member of the Super Rectangle Club. Wait, I don't have any dual connectors, so anyways, like this. Well, we built 28 in the step shape formation, and this is because this video we're going to build the number block step shape club. Wait. Alright, here's our finished number block 28. And we need only 1 faceplate for the number block 28. And we also need our number block 28's number link. And here's our finished number block 28. Alright, let's continue build the number block 36. Number block 36 is made out of 30 light yellow blocks and 6 purple blocks, or 6 indigo blocks. Well, 36 is the 8th member of the Step Squad Club, and this is because he is made out of 1 plus 2 plus 3 until plus 8. Well, 36 has the pink step-shaped mask with pink eyes and pink mouth, and this is because he's the 8th member of the Step Squad Club. We built 36 into the Step Squad shape, like this. he is the 8th member of the Step Squad Club. Well, Numberblock 36 has pink step-shaped mask because he's the 8th member of the Step Squad Club. And he has pink mouth, and he's the member of the Super Duper Rectangle Club. And here's our finished Numberblock 36 square puzzle. Alright, next Numberblock step shape is 45. 45 is the 9th member of the Step Shape Club. Well, 45 is made out of 1 plus 2 plus 3 until plus 9. Well, Numberblock 45 has the step shape mask just like the others. Well, 45 has the three-tone gray blocks because three-tone gray block represent the Numberblock 9. But she's also made out of 5 9s. That's why she has the gray eyes and blue mouth. Gray represent 5 and blue represent 3 and blue represent 5. So 9, lots of 5s, are 45. 45, I will like the step shape club. Step shape, like this, from 1 to 9. And we also need the Numberblocks 45's sticker. Well, like this. 45's sticker. She has the gray eyes, but her mouth is blue. And this is because she's made out of 5 9s, like this. And here's our finished Numberblock 45. Last but not least is 55. 55 is made out of 50 light blue blocks and 5 blue blocks. Well, 55 also is made out of 5 11s or 1 plus 2 until plus 10. That's why he has the white step-shaped mask with the red borders. This is because he's the 10th member of the Step Squad Club. Well, I will 55 into the step shape. Well, 55 also can make the rocket shape, but I don't make it because in this video we build only the step shape only to express the videos with the Step Squad Club. There, Numberblock 55. Well, 55 has the step shape mask by having white with red borders, so which means it represents the Numberblock 10. And here is his mouth. So here is our finished Numberblock 55. And that was the end of today's video. But actually, there are more numbers which is in the member of a Step Shape Club, like 66, 78, 91, and so on. But I will only 10 members to make it easier. And also, we include the Step Shape Club from 1 to 55. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45, and 55. And there's more. But anyways, I cut only 55. And that was the end of today's video. If you like this video, you can click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications from my new videos. So see you again next time. Bye bye.